Now we're going to talk about adding announcements and questions. If you want to add something to your course stream, you use this green, well, it's not always green, but this plus button that's down in the lower right hand corner. So you click on this, and we're going to talk about these bottom two, announcement and assignment, or pardon me, announcement and question. So an announcement is just what it sounds like. You're going to create an announcement that you want your whole class to know. Study for the test next Friday, right? And so I'm going to post this announcement. And also, if you have more than one class, you can assign this to multiple classes, by the way, which is really handy if, like, you teach 6 math classes. Then you can just add this to all your math classes. But anyway, I just want to post this for this class, so I'm going to click post. And it's going to just put this announcement up at the top. So now when my kids log in, they're going to see this. One thing you do need to know is if you do an announcement, it will give your students an opportunity to add comments. You can turn this off, but you can also add comments. So let's say one of your students comes in here and posts and says, I lost the organizer. You can go in and leave a comment to them and be like, tough, deal with it, or come see me after school, get a new copy, or something like that. All right, so that's announcements, and that would be just, an announcement is just like something in general that you want your kids to know. The next thing we'll talk about is question, adding a question. A question is like something you could use for a real quick assessment. What is your favorite dinosaur? You can give questions due dates. So let's say I want them to make sure that they do this by tomorrow. This can be like a Google form kind of. It can be short answer, you make them write it, or you can do multiple choice. So I could say T-Rex or a Triceratops. Okay. And this button up here says students can see class summary. That's just that everybody in the class can see everybody else's answers. If you want this to be something where they can't see each other's answers, turn that off. So if you were going to do like a formative assessment and you didn't want them to have access to each other's responses, just turn that off. If you're just doing a poll to learn like something, you can have it on if you want them to be able to respond to each other, and that can be good for reflection and collaboration. So I added this question. You can also, again, add attachments. Let's say I have pictures of the dinosaurs or a video of them. Anyway, I have created the question. I'm going to ask this question. And so when a student logs in, they're going to see this question. They click on it, and it's going to give them this is my view of students, but if a student clicked on it, they would have that multiple choice question, and they would then be answering it. And so that would be a good way to like do a formative assessment, or to gather quick data, or just to do a lunch count or something, do attendance that way even. I mean, it would be a simple way to do all those things. So that's adding questions, and that's adding announcements.